On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram highlights problem easily and fast. Hello guys, so first thing we want to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps again right here, click on Instagram, click here on the data usage, and then scroll, turn off the Wi-Fi, wait a few seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and enable it again. Now go back, click here on force stop, go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Now restart your phone, reopen Instagram. The problem must be fixed. If it's not, then you have the last chance is you have to go to the Play Store, search for Instagram, and then click here on update if you don't have the latest version. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.